Today we're gonna unbox and review VIVO Single Monitor Arm. It's one of the best selling monitor arms on Amazon, and we're gonna check today to see if it's worth the $20 price point. So let's begin. Alright, there isn't much to say here. This is my first monitor arm, and I wanted something cheap and reliable. First we're gonna go through the unbox of the monitor arm, and let's see what we have inside the box. First of all, we have a VESA mount for the monitor. Next we have a desk clamp. I have to say, for the $20 monitor arm, they used really nice materials. We also have the pole that is gonna support the arm itself. It's held down by 3 screws that go into the desk clamp. We have the arm itself. It's not as easy to bend this monitor arm as other monitor arms, but I actually like it because it's very sturdy and it's gonna hold the monitor in place. So here are all the hardware components you get with the monitor arm. We also have the manual that tells you how to assemble the monitor arm, but let's be honest, who actually needs the manual? First of all, we have to unscrew the screws that came with the monitor and the arm that it was held on. Next, we have to put the VESA mount plate on the monitor itself and screw it with 4 screws. There are 2 types of screws you can screw it with. The hand screw one and the black bearing one, and I actually made a mistake and used the wrong one, so check your monitor to see which screws you need to use. Once I've unscrewed the clamp, I have to put the pole that holds the arm of the monitor. After we tighten the clamp to the desk, we have to adjust the height and add the cable management clips that hold the cables together. One flaw I saw on the monitor is that every time you have to adjust the height, you have to untighten and then tighten again the monitor arm. And here is the finished project. I have to say, I'm really surprised. I would recommend this monitor arm to everyone, but if you move your monitor around and adjust the height often, I don't think this one is for you. But for the price, I think it's an amazing choice. Do you think it's a good value monitor? Leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.